How to log in into Bullhorn Employee Portal. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this quick tutorial, I'll guide you through the step on how to log in into Bullhorn Employee Portal. So let's get started. First of all, open your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. In the address bar, type in bullhorn.com and hit enter. On the Bullhorn home page, look for the login button at the top right corner and click on it. You will be taken towards the login page. Enter your username in the username field and click next. Next, type in your password. Make sure you have entered it correctly, then click on the login button. After logging in, you will be directed towards the Bullhorn Employee Portal dashboard. Here you can manage your tasks, track your time, access important documents and communicate with your team. And that's it. You are now logged in into Bullhorn Employee Portal and get ready to work. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tutorial like this. See you on the next video.